Magojuna namhlanje. Hostel Star. Imposter emnyango. Umdlalo esikhuthalele nguLindiwe Masitele. Umkhuzela uPetro Silis. uJohannes Nomomse. noDanile uNamkhone. Beka indlebe uzizwe. Nakho uyalandela.
Angikholwa bonyana umanga ngiziwe nje manje. Ngiyazibuza bonyana konakele ukuthi phakathi kwami naye.
Mina ke ngibona ukuthi umakho uzokuba nomraro khulu ungathatha umfazi wena.
Sithando sami, ungakhulumi njalo ngiyabawa.
Ncancabeke sithando sami. Nanyana umakho engekho nje, mina ngikhona. Ngizokusekela ngaso zonke isikhathi.
Ngiyathokoza ukuzwa ukusho njalo sithando sami. Yazi umanga sisisi. Akazwisisi bonyana sengikhuluma sele ngingaka. Begodwa ufanele ngizithathele inqundo zami. Kanti mina ngiyokhula nenemehlweni akhe.
Ulolwe bababeletha abanengi baby. Basivikela ngokweqileyo. Abanye ke bazibona bazokulahlekelwa abantwana babo.
Njani ngibona sithando sami? Njani? Ngani yena uma ubaba bamkhupha ngakwabo. Wabangiswa ngibanike yena.
Hey, sizatshelwa ngibani ke sithando sami?
Hayi, uyabona kungewami uma yena kwangathudlulela.
Hawa.
Yazi manje ngisasho man. Ikhona into engakalungi ngaye. Kukhona ongakalungi.
Hayi sithando sami. Awu. Vuka ke sithando sami Judu. Uqophe uye emsebenzini. Uyokusebenza imali ukungilobola ngisho.
Ngiyaqala Judu mthweni. Uyazi
Uthandwa ngimi baby kwaphi isikhosana.
hayi umlisi ufunja thakolo baby ungamphenduli ngiyabawa.
Hawa. Tshela ama baby. Kami uqalathekile umuntu ongidosela kulo. Uyabona ke ulock and try. Mhlawumbe khona ufuna ukungitshela khona kubaba. Lothani manakabini.
Hayi, akwangijudu.
Uvuke njani ubaba?
Yena uvukile, udonyakala malanga la. Awabona balakhulu.
Hawu, ubala balangani no can try ubaba?
Awa, asakunalita ngabalaba lingakho. Mina sila ngirara kwanje. Uzokuzana nekhaya. Uzomhlola.
Ngizokuza namhlanje isike nangingafunyana ithuba. Ngabhalelwa ke nakanjani kusasa ngizokuvukela lapho ngaphambi kobanyana ngiye emsebenzini.
Nokuthemba sekathoma ukuthemba. Kwanje somtheni. Uyalwa nangimenzela izinto. Ufuna nokungiqoqa.
Sibafuna ukuqotha.
Iye,
Kodwa ukuhlala nobani yena?
ngakudawula.
Hayi, asikhulule kamamani. Bye bye. Bye.
Oh, that's really great. Look at his muscles. Mine isn't too bad. I'm almost there. Oh, hello, kitty kids. Oh, just look at my muscle. Look at it. Don't you think it's huge? Oh, yes, I'm strongman Mr. Chinwag. I'm reading the sports page of the Kitty Buzz on fitness and health. So let's see what we have here. Boxing. Oh, boy. How I'd love to box. Come on, big boy. Bob and weave, bob and weave, bob and weave. Strike. Oh, yes. Yes, that's what I want to do. Boxing.
Hello, Kitty Kids. What do you think of my house? I just touched it up. I think it's fabulous.
Hello, Shirley.
Hello, Kamal. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Kitty friends, this is our friend Kamal.
Hello. You're happy today, Shelley?
Well, actually, I am very happy. I just touched up my house and I think it looks wonderful. I'm a very happy girl. La 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 la, I'm such a happy girl. I love a sunny day. When something bothers me, I make it go away. I'm such a happy girl. I wear a happy face. I try to make the world a happy place. La 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 la. 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 I'm such a happy girl. I wear a happy face. I try to make the world a happy
Shelley! Shelley! Come over here.
What do you want?
I need to tell you something about my future.
Yes, Mr. Chinwag, what is it?
Hello, hello. Shelley, I know what I want to be.
I'm confused. I thought you were the greengrocer of Kidio Town.
No, I don't want to be a greengrocer anymore. I want to be a boxer. I want to have my name up in lights with Marciano and all those great boxers, and I want to punch like this. Like that.
Oh,
Be careful, Mr. Chinwag.
yeah, I think, I don't think you're the boxing type.
What do you mean?
With your hooves and so on.
Yeah, right.
Well, never mind my hooves. What's wrong with my hooves? Anyway, I'm going to start training, and then I'm going to challenge someone to a boxing match.
You know what, Mr. Chinwag?
Yeah.
I think maybe you should think about this first. But we have to go. We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Ukanti ke njengokuba nisazi ndilapha namhlanje kuba ndizibeka phansi intambo kwelijelo intatheli zeliziko nabaphulaphuli bathe anakusithela bengolekanga kwimiyalezo ephoswe ngumzantsi Afrika kum.
Ndifuna ukudlulisa umyalezo wenkuthazo apha kuwe mama unoxolo rhoqom. Ndifuna ukuthi mama hamba uyokuphumla nosapho lwakho waye ugqatso ulufezile. Imisebenzi yakho asoze ilibaleke kweli jelo losasazo.
Usenzile into bana sikholwe nathi bangenye imini singama phambi komabonakude sikwazi ukuchaza inhlalo nempilo zabantu bakowethu.
Sisinoxolo njengeintatheli zalapha KwaZulu-Natal sithanda nje ukuthatha leli thuba ukudlulisa amazwi ethu okubonga ngokuba isibonelo esihle kuthina sonke. Ngiyakhumbula nje sisakhula ukuthi uma lumbana ihora lesikhombisa sasenza isiqiniseko sokuthi sisondela kuma television ethu ukwenza sure ukuthi siyakubuka usethulela izindaba ngesikhulu isizotha.
Nangani ngalala ngoba ubusuku nombethe ngubo yemvisiswano uxolo nothando ndinithanda nonke emakhaya.
Kwaze kwentokozo mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangane singakusho nje ngokungenamahloni ngokungananazi ukuthi ke asikho imvula esisilindele kuzo zonke indawo kanti ke naseFreystata kuyashisa uyongene Northwest nokho mawungena lapha eStern Cape ngingathanda ukuthi kungabekezeleki lishise likhipha umkovetsheni uyongene engxenyeni ke ezingapha ngasentshonalanga ikakhulukazi lapho kofustile koKhalvina uyongena lapho koAphindini ngingathanda ukungabekezeleki ngithatha intambo ngiyibuyisele kuThabile ngisho ngithi ke ngiyayithatha indawo ube nobusuku obuhle.
Sithini sinamukele ezinhlelweni zasebusuku kungomgqibelo. Well, there seem to be plenty of choices to make this evening. Currently on SABC2 is an excellent drama series called Under Suspicion, followed by Chicago Hope at 9:45. On SABC3 at 9:30, Tom Selleck stars in An Innocent Man. Kanditina Film Eshuti Kota, Criminal Justice. This riveting crime drama is, by the way, suitable for all ages.
You're working late? Yeah, tomorrow at the coffee shop. Like old times. Thanks, Khamutsa.
Tell me I had wrong. You weren't talking to that hussy, were you?
That hussy happens to be my best friend.
I don't believe this.
Archie, Khamutsa is going to be very much a part of our lives.
Waring, they haven't set a wedding date.
No. Papa offered her a job at New Horizons.
What? Oh, this is madness. I suppose he wants to make her the MD.
She'll handle all the legal aspects of the expansion plans. That's the only way Papa will approve them.
Listen to me. The next shareholders meeting, we have to vote together and veto this ridiculous idea. It's our only chance to...
Yeah, Archie. Not this time.
First, Shibu wishes Papa and then you. But then you are always weak, isn't it? Junkies have very little self-respect.
You can insult me all you like.
Oh, really? But then a little snow might help to clear the fog in your brain.
What a bastard you are, Chimurok. No wonder you haven't a friend in the world.
Sesinomdlalo ke manje ezandleni ke mbukeli waseyishaka kodwa ke unompempe Pirates ngathi ke sifuna ke ukushintsha icrowd ke abayithola ngenkathi ke kuqala ke ukudlala ke umdlalo wePSL la kule nkundla angelilahla ke manje ke umakhume awumlenga siyabalenga nalibhasi laseZambia nangumlenga siyabalenga uyindoda Goodman Musile ayindoda Musile waze kwafika naye lapha ke uSibiya elidla ke lapha ke ibhola asebeqala phansi ke lapha ke lomphathethise ngayaba ibaroka umdansana odansa umdansana egqoka umdansana sidansa umdansane SMS shake my soul I'll shake my soul